Hey, what's up? Welcome back for another video and a view into Huck's World. And we thought we would do something different. So we dug into the Facer app, got a couple of watch faces that we want you all to check out. Let me know if it's a hit or miss and if I should do more watch face reviews from Facer, that is. All right. With that being said, let's check it out. The name of this watch face is called Onboard MD. It's a very nice look. It's like looking through the windshield of a car. Also, you see the dash down below. It also has a GPS symbol. Looking through the window, right? It's nice. I thought it was different. I thought it was unique. I thought it wasn't a bad watch face at all. No, this watch face isn't interactive, but for an everyday watch face, for something different, this one is pretty nice, okay? Now, if you look down, you will get your date right here, which isn't a bad look. You look to your right, you're gonna get your weather info, your highs, your lows, the actual weather that it's going to be for the day. Now you will get your step information, which is right here. But what I like about this watch face, which I would like to see more of, is that not only do you get your watch battery info, but you get your phone battery info as well, right down at the bottom. I think it's a nice look. Now don't ask me, people, don't ask me. I do not know what that blue needle is swinging. I don't know. All right, with that being said, let's check out watch face number two. Watch face number 2 is called Big Numbers version 2. This is definitely a great look for a digital watch face. I thought the developer did an awesome job on the design and the look. Now, I like the way the time is slanted. You're going to get stacked digital time. You're going to get your heart rate information along with a beating heart. You come down a little bit more, you are going to get your month, your day, and the day of the week is going to be written out. If you look to the right, you will get your battery info as well. I thought that was pretty cool. I like the color of that as well. Now, it would have been nice if you could have customized the color, but still, this is definitely a good look. Now, if you look around the bezel of the watch, you will see a floating second hand as well. But if you look right here, you can see it cycle through not only your steps, but also your calories burned. So for those of you all who are into steps, it has what you're looking for in this digital watch face. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then make sure you subscribe to the channel. Also, hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know if this was a hit or miss and if I should do more watch face reviews from Facer.